Okay, so hello guys. So for today's video is we are going to talk about 10 virtual assistant agencies for beginners this 2025. Meaning, kahit wala kang work experience at all is you will be able to apply dito sa mga companies na babanggitin natin in this video. But before that, syempre, I would like to share with you Beta Bloom. So dito sa Beta Bloom is we are providing companionship while you're working from home, studying, or even sa inyong office guys kasi hindi naman sila maselang alagaan. For only 600 pesos is you will be able to have your Beta Bloom starter kit. Ayan. So, included na po lahat, yung mga equipment sa pag-aalaga ng inyong betta fish. And we are also providing instruction manual sa mga beginners dyan na hindi marunong pa mag-alaga. Ayan. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-research pa. And for fish-only orders, just in case lang na meron na kayong equipment, is nagpa-provide din kami niyan. For only 250 pesos is you will be able to have your betta fish. And masasabi ko na high quality yung mga betta fish natin by looking at our catalog dito sa aming Facebook page sa Reels, guys. Ayan, pupunta lang kayo sa Reels, and may kita ninyo yung mga iba't ibang available na betta fish. Ayan, so iba't ibang variant, iba't ibang colors. So may kita nyo naman yan dito. May kita nyo naman, diba? Napakaganda, napakaliksi ng mga isda natin. So dito pa lang sa mga videos, guys, is may kita nyo na yung personality, ng bibilihin ninyong betta fish. Maganda kasi talaga sa video compared with picture, diba? Kasi sa video may kita nyo gumagalaw, yung characteristic mismo ng isda is you will be able to see, And kung ano yung darating sa inyo is, yun na yun din yung binili ninyo. And by the way, guys, we ship nationwide from Luzon to Visayas to Mindanao is kahit saan ka pa sa Pilipinas is you will be able to get your Beta Bloom. Ayan. So, better check yung ating pinned comment section dahil dyan nakalink yung ating Facebook page na kung saan pwede kayong mag-message sa amin para mag-inquire. Okay, so right now is pag-usapan na natin yung ating topic. 10 virtual assistant agencies for beginners this 2025. And dito guys, pag-usapan lang natin yung mga basic details na kung saan ito yung gusto nating malaman before we apply. Pero if you want to do an in-depth review or research is naglagay din ako ng mga links dyan sa ating description box. Okay? First on our list is Coconut VA. So, ang kanilang salary is nagre-range ng $5 to $16 per hour. Meron silang free training, which is really good kasi syempre wala tayong experience sa virtual assistant work. So malamang wala tayong idea kung ano ba talaga yung dapat na ginagawa. So meron silang free training. Ayan, meron din silang paid leaves and US holidays. So meaning US clients, 13th month pay is also available. Birthday bonus, which is ito yung pinaka-rare na binibigay sa mga virtual assistants. And here, nagpo-provide na sila ng HMO or healthcare, which means meron security sa ating health. Hindi ma-interrupt yung ating savings dahil meron silang HMO. Ayan, part-time or full-time jobs are available and weekly yung payment dito. So regarding sa payment, it's really important na meron kayong PayPal, Payoneer, GCash, any banks na merong online or digital banks which is doon kasi pinapasa yung inyong sasahurin. Okay? And yun yung mga most common din naman na ginagamit na for remittances, di ba? So, okay, let's proceed na to the next company which is the VA Hub. Ayan, so here, fixed salary sila, $9.25 per hour and meron silang paid training. So, meaning ng paid training is habang nagtitraining kayo is binabayaran na kayo. Like, you're already working, di ba? Ganon. And meron din silang leave credits, annual increase. Ayan, so meron din silang performance bonuses, incentives, part-time or full-time jobs are also available, salary range. Ayan, meron din pala sila ditong monthly. So, yung monthly nila is $770 per month. Bi-weekly ang kanilang payment, meaning kinsenas katapusan, okay? So, let's proceed to the next company that we have here is Pineapple VA. So, kanina may coconut, ngayon may pineapple. Ayan, so yung salary naman dito is $8 per hour. Nagpa-provide sila ng free training, part-time or full-time job. Positions are available and bi-weekly yung payment. So, guys, by the way, yung mga information is naka-provide dyan sa mga links sa description box. Once again, kung nakukulangan kayo sa mga information na pinaprovide natin, maganda is mag-dig deeper na rin kayo sa mga websites dyan. Okay? So, naka-timestamp naman po itong video natin kaya hindi na kayo malilito sa paghahanap pa ng timestamp. Okay? So, let's proceed to the next company. Number 4 is Wing Assistant. So, dito naman sa Wing Assistant, they are providing monthly based, no? 20,000 pesos to 50,000 pesos per month. Ayan, meron din silang free training, performance appraisal, bi-weekly payment, incentive, and full-time job lang po ang meron sila dito sa Wing Assistant. Okay? So, let's proceed to the next company which is OVA Virtual. Okay? So, dito naman sa OVA is $400 to $1,000 per month. Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo guys, no, merong mga companies na peso sila magpasahod. And meron din namang mga naka-USD. Ayan. So, you can also do the math na lang, no? I-convert nyo sa Google, 1,000 USD to PHP. Ganon. Para makita ninyo kung ano yung price niya in this current situation. Kasi pabago-bago po, no? Yung presyo ng dollars based sa Forex, okay? So, ayan, let's proceed na here. Dito sa OVA Virtual is they're also providing free training by weekly payment, part-time or full-time jobs available, and meron silang paid holidays. So, hindi lang minention kung ano ang holidays to sa US ba or dito sa atin, no? And nagpa-provide din po sila ng HMO, ayan. So, dito pa lang sa video na to, nakikita niyo na yung comparison, no? Sa mga iba't ibang companies. Kaya pwede kayong mag-apply doon sa napupusuan nyo or pwede rin kayo magpadala ng application sa lahat, no, ng mga babanggitin natin dito sa video na to. And hintayin nyo na lang kung merong magre-respond, di ba? Okay, so let's proceed na sa ating 6th company which is Pepper VA. Ayan. So kanina may coconut, may pineapple, ngayon pepper na. Ayan, nasa condiments na tayo. Mamaya may salt na yan. Joke lang. Ayan, so let's have here their salary, $300 to $1,200 per month. So malamang yung $300 sa mga ano yan, sa part-time job positions, okay? So here is they're also providing free training. Meron din silang HMO or healthcare, yearly bonuses, part-time or full-time jobs available, and bi-weekly po yung payment dito, okay? So let's proceed na on our next company na pag-uusapan which is Remote Workmate. Ayan. So dito naman nag-range ng 15,000 pesos to 45,000 pesos per month. And meron din sila ditong free training, part-time or full-time jobs available, and bi-weekly yung payment dito sa Remote Workmate. Okay, so let's proceed na sa ating susunod na pag-uusapan which is si Hello Raish. Ayan, dito sa Hello Raish is nagre-range yung salary from $7 to $15 per hour. Meron silang free training and nagbibigay din sila, no, ng certificate sa mga accomplishments natin na ina-attend na webinars or training. Ayan. And they are also offering part-time or full-time jobs available and bi-weekly yung kanilang pasahod. Alright? So if I'm not mistaken, dito sa Hello Raish, it is more focusing on healthcare. Ayan. So ano sila? More on medical field, allied health, ganyan. Okay, so now, let's proceed, no? Malapit na tayong matapos. Grabe, ang bilis ng video natin. Very precise and hindi inaaksaya ang oras ninyo. Ganun ang video natin, di ba? Talagang kinokompact na natin information in just a short period of time kasi alam ko mga busy kayong mga tao. Ayan. So, let's proceed to the next one. Support Shepherd. And dito, ang pasahod is 40,000 pesos to 50,000 pesos per month. And nagpa-provide sila dito ng free training, 13th-month pay, performance bonuses. Ito maganda guys ha, para sa mga nagsisimulang pamilya. Maternity and paternity leaves. Ayan, no, bibihira yung ganitong offer sa mga online jobs. Kasi di ba syempre, they're also considering, no, yung mga nagsisimulang pamilya. Ayan. So, hindi lang minention dito kung gaano katagal yung leave. So, malamang minimum of 3 months siguro, if I'm not mistaken. Kasi sa ibang bansa, merong mga maternity leave na 10 months eh. May mga ganun, di ba? So, I don't know na kung dito is susundin ba yung sa abroad. Pero, I'm not sure, no? Pero, if someone meron nang nag-work dito, you can actually share your experience here sa maternity or paternity leaves. Ayan. So, ang last na pinaprovide nila dito is HMO. Ayun. So, ayun yung si Support Shepherd. So, this is really ideal sa mga nagsisimulang pamilya. Ayan. And for the last one is we have outsource access. Dito medyo marami silang offer, no? Pinagkasya na lang natin dito sa screen. 20,000 pesos to 50,000 pesos per month. Ayan, nagpo-provide din sila ng free training, monthly allowance. Ay, wow, may pa-monthly allowance. And ito, guys, meron silang mga benefits pa na pino-provide din. SSS, Pag-ibig, PhilHealth, HMO. So, yun, parang bibihira rin yun, no, sa mga companies na minention natin a while ago. Parang sila lang yung nagpo-provide ng ganon. And meron din silang life insurance, which is also really important kasi may option ka naman to apply on your own. Pero dito sa outsource access is nagpo-provide sila for you. Hindi ko lang alam kung ikakaltas sa sahod. Char! Ayan, meron din silang virtual credit card. Oy, wow naman. Nakakatukso mag-add to cart niyan pag dito ka nag-work, diba? Ayan, meron din 13th month pay, bonuses, birthday treat. Wow, birthday treat. Sana laging birthday. Ayan, regularization rewards. And full-time jobs lang po meron dito. Nagpapasahod sila bi-weekly. So that is our information na nakuha from outsource access. Okay, so I think that would be it, no? Yun yung mga 10 virtual assistant agencies na napag-usapan natin for beginners. Almost all of them naman is nagpo-provide ng free training. So, there's nothing wrong. Hindi nyo kailangang mag-alangan or mangamba kung anong gagawin ninyo dahil nagpo-provide nga sila, gaya ng sabi ko, ng free training or paid training para kayo ay makapagsimula at malaman ninyo yung kailangan nyong gawin as a virtual assistant. So once again, let's summarize everything. Yung 10 companies na binanggit ko a while ago are Coconut VA, the VA Hub, Pineapple VA, Wing Assistant, OVA Virtual, Pepper VA, Remote Workmate, Hello Rage, Support Shepherd, and Outsource Access. So, dun pa lang sa mga information na pinrovide ko a while ago is makikita nyo na kung ano yung comparison, no? Mako-compare mo na sila, yung mga offers nila. Each of them, meron silang mga iba't ibang preference din. And if you want to dig deeper sa mga qualifications and requirements, you may refer to the link in the description box below para makapunta sa kanilang mga website. So, kumbaga dito sa video na to, kinompile ko lang in just a short period of time para ma-share sa inyo ng maayos, no, yung mga information regarding dito sa mga companies na ito. So again, you may refer dito sa ating timestamp sa description box or i-scroll nyo, no, yung inyong cursor or yung inyong slide ninyo, no, yung time para makita ninyo kasi may division po yan para hindi na kayo malito pa. Kung meron kayong gustong balikan na company or information kung nagkakaroon kayo ng comparison, ganyan. Okay, so I think that would be it. And comment down below on what you think, no, sa mga companies na binanggit ko, or if you're someone na nag-work na rin sa isa sa mga companies na to, sige, feel free to share your experience as well. So yun lang naman, guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. And kung na-enjoy nyo ito, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa aking mga uploads. So have a nice day. God bless and goodbye!